Hello everyone, this is NAI here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this 3D looking ellipse logo in Affinity Designer. This logo is made of 4 branches that have a gradient applied to them, which gives them the impression of volume. Alright, so to get started we go to File New and we create a new composition. We give it 2000 by 2000 pixels in dimensions, and we click on Create. And then we make sure that snapping, snap to guides, and snap to object bounding boxes are enabled. And then we go to View, Guides, and we are going to add some horizontal and vertical center guides to the composition. And then we're going to start drawing the logo. So we take the Ellipse tool, we set the fill to none, we leave the stroke as black, and we set the stroke width to 0.1. And then starting from the middle of the composition, and while holding Ctrl and Shift to expand from the center and keep the 1:1 proportions, we go ahead and we create a circle of about 1000 by 1000 pixels in dimensions. And then we press on Ctrl J to duplicate it. And then we're going to scale down the duplicated circle. So we scale it down from here, from the midpoint on its left extremity while holding Shift. Until it has about 4/5 of the horizontal length of the first circle. And then we're going to duplicate this circle. So we go here to enable transform origin, and we set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. We press on Enter to bring out the Move Duplicate panel. We check on Duplicate. We set the number of copies to 3, and the rotation angle to 90 degrees. And we click on OK. So now we have all the circles that we need. The next step is going to be to create the first branch of the logo. So we press on Ctrl A to select everything. We take the Shape Builder tool. We set the Action to plus and the Cleanup to all unused geometry. And then we go ahead and we create a crescent shape like this. And then we're going to apply the gradient to it. So we take the Gradient tool. We leave the context as fill, and we set the type to linear. And we draw a gradient from one extremity of the crescent shape to the other, like this. And then we're going to set the colors. So first we insert a node in the middle. And we set the color in the middle to orange. And we set the two colors at the extremities to dark red. And also we're going to bring the midpoints towards the center like this. So this gives it the impression that it is a concave shape, with the light reflecting where the orange part is. And then we set the stroke to none. And then we're going to duplicate the shape, but before we do that, we're going to turn it into a symbol. So we go to Layer, Create Symbol. So now the shape is turned into a symbol. What that means is that after we duplicate it, every change that we make to one of the shapes will automatically also reflect on the other shapes. And then we set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. We press on Enter to bring out the Move Duplicate panel. We check on previous settings to apply the same duplication settings as for the circles. And also we check on Duplicate. And we click on OK. So this gives us the remaining part of the logo. And then if you want to change the colors, we can do that. So we uncollapse one of the symbols. We select the object. And then we can change the color. And it will automatically reflect also on the other objects. So this is the advantage of working with symbols. It makes the workflow much more dynamic. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create a 3D looking ellipse logo in Affinity Designer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time. Bye.